Hi guys, so thank you for watching my video. Today I want to show you how I'm soldering stripes because most of my lamps always use soldering, and maybe some of you are afraid of soldering, but this is really simple, and I want to show you how you can solder and how fast this really is. So this video will be completely shown in real time. First of all, I cutted my stripes. The length for the Stargate lamp, I just measured this way. I'm using one of the diffusers and just laid around and then was cutting it. So first of all, make sure you are using the input. The input is every time the one with the arrow, so it goes this way. And for the Stargate lamp, I really only need 3 wires. And first of all, I'm gonna cut them. I just cut them in the middle. And then I strip them. So if you're asking yourself why I used these colors here, it was just the one I choose first. So there's no intention. So what do I do next? I'm just placing some solder points here. And now I use the one with the female plugs. And I use black for ground. Brown for the data. And red for the current. That's it, I'm done. So this was really quite fast. You don't know any experience. You don't need any experience. Yeah, you see, it's very simple. So thank you for watching.